This month, Life Insurance Strategies Group is in Chengdu, China, where I've just delivered a speech to the China Trust Conference, which is in its fourth year. At the Trust Conference, I discussed the importance of irrevocable life insurance trust. And that's a reminder, too, for those of you in the U.S., the power that an irrevocable life insurance trust can bring to estate planning. Remember, in the United States, there's a hefty estate tax. It approaches nearly 40%, and that's over the exemption amount, which is approximately 14 million a person right now. At the end of 2025, as we keep reminding people in our videos and our materials, that exemption amount will be cut in half to approximately $7 million a person. So the use of an irrevocable trust that holds a life insurance policy is becoming more and more important. If a person owns a life insurance policy personally, the proceeds from that policy are includable in their estate tax calculation. No one wants that. By holding the insurance policy outside of one's estate, inside the irrevocable trust, those policy proceeds are removed from the estate in the estate tax calculation. And those proceeds can be used by beneficiaries to pay any estate taxes due. Today at the China Trust Conference here in Chengdu, I also talked about the difference between a grantor trust and a non-grantor trust. In a grantor trust, the grantor is responsible for the taxes on any kind of investment growth inside of the trust. Now, people might do that because it helps them reduce their taxable estate when they're paying those taxes. And a non-grantor trust, of course, is where the trust pays taxes on any of the trust taxes due, but at a pretty punishing rate, approximately 40%. So using irrevocable trusts aren't just in the United States. We're seeing that grow internationally with great interest from even places here in China. So to my friends in the United States, remember, if you've accumulated a lot of assets and net worth, you can reduce your estate taxes by using an irrevocable trust and then have that trust own life insurance whose proceeds can be used to pay those estate taxes. At Life Insurance Strategies Group, we don't sell products. We help our affluent individual clients and institutional clients in the acquisition of life insurance. And that includes everything from the vetting of producers, the selection of products, the supervising of the transaction, and a look at the structures involved. If we could be a help, visit us at lifeinsurancestrategiesgroup.com.